deck is really an extension of your home. It's a safe place that you spend time with your family and friends. You want them to feel at home when they go out on their deck. It's all in the details. You got a product that's warranted up to 50 years nowadays. Whatever you leave for workmanship, that's there forever. Early on, I realized that I wanted to be a deck builder, and I wanted to actually be my own boss and have a little more freedom and do it my way versus working for someone. And over the years, we've been lucky enough to build a really good team and grow steadily. The way Nolan came into the business was he's a very skilled individual, and he was one of our deck building crews. And I really enjoyed working with Nolan and made him a proposition to buy into the company. And that's not something as a business owner you think about doing often. I was lucky to be able to bring a guy like that on to our company.
The way that we're structured here is Mark will do the outside sales or the initial consultation with the customer. Then Mark and I will meet, go over to the design to come up with an actual construction plan on it, at which point I take over on that project. So for the stairs on this here, we decided to use the Deckorators Voyage line just for the built-in traction aid. It's just a great product for stairs. Something else I'd just like to point out is how we finish off all of our stair details on this. We use a waterfall system. It allows to eliminate any cut edges, so there's no visible cuts. On our Bonaventure project here, we decided to use the Voyage line for the water and ground contact rating that it has. It's great for traction because it has a built-in granular to the capstock.
We had a customer that came to us with a brand new house, and he has an amazing property with the river in his backyard, and he wanted to entertain. He wanted it to be an extension of his house.
Then after that, he kind of gave us the ability to design what we wanted. So that's where Mark was really given the freedom of design. He created the concept for that project, and then in turn, we executed on building it.
You know, for us, bringing the right product to the table for our customers is important because they trust us to do that for them. I think that's what they get when they work with us, trusting us that we're giving them the best possible product. And that's something we've always valued. We want to be able to leave a project knowing that this is what the deck's going to look like for its lifespan, and not have to deal with coming back and doing a bunch of service. And the fact that Deckorators has a labor warranty is huge for us. We can walk away knowing that our clients are going to be taken care of down the road if something does, for whatever reason, happen.
I personally like to be able to take an idea and create it in reality. So for me, that's very rewarding, being able to actually see the work that you complete at the end of each day.
I get to meet new clients every week, complete different projects for different clients, and put a smile on a lot of people's face. So job doesn't get old, and I'd love to be, first in someone's mind when it comes to building their dream deck.
One of the more rewarding things for me is being able to take a design, the concept, and then deliver that to the client and see how happy they are with that area, and see how it's going to be used by their family.